This is a map 21 replacement by LoatharMDPhD. I think that's how you spell his name. And he said it's a very short map. Very dark. I think there's a rocket launcher there. Lots of lost souls. So I'm gonna run to it. Whoa. That was evil. Is this going to keep going up? He used the line scrolling from Boom. Yeah. Okay. It's really dark. Maybe it's a stealth kind of map. It's like a maze. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yeah, I died. That was nice. So I'm gonna go here because I can kill this guy and get this shotgun. It's really dark. Really, oh my god, I can't get that. Hard. It's a hard one. Yeah, I can't get those. Maybe he didn't plan for me to get it. Maybe it's just something that I can't get, but you know, in case it's something that I should get, I can't. Shotgun box, nice. Oh my god, no, no. Okay. Okay, shotgun box. Okay. Run, run, run. Blue armor. This is a really interesting map. Even though it's pretty low. Yeah. Okay, so shotgun guy. Oh, maybe the sound is because... Oh my god, oh my god. Maybe the sound is because like the floor or ceiling is trying to crush me, but... Or too close, but they can't. I don't know. Run, 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 run. Run, run, run. Oh my god, I got punched. Yeah, it's hard. Okay. Maybe I should just, you know, run, run, run. Get this. And then run, run, run. And then run. And then, you know, try to make them infight or something. I don't know. Oh no, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Run, run, run. Run, run, run. No, get out. Get out of my way. I need to get the armor. That's pretty interesting map. Oh man, I'm ugh. There's something here. I don't know what, but yeah. It's a nice map. It's really tough, but it's nice. No, no, no. Where's the shotgun? I need my shotgun. Yep, thank you. Thank you. There's an arachnotron here somewhere, maybe. Can't get those. Nice. Put some more health, please, because yeah, I could kill some, but whew, man, this is tough. Okay. I'm gonna wake up everybody at once. I don't care. Come here, boy. Come here, boy. Come here, boy. Oh, damn, 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 damn. I'm dead. I'm dead. I died. Yeah, I don't think waking everybody up is the best strategy ever. Gonna get this. I'm gonna run away. Oh, freaking hell. And then I'm gonna get the shotgun and I'm gonna get on the mirror. Oh no, man. You should make that passage there available because it's really hard to not use it. Yeah. I really like how you gave me only the shotgun and the rocket launcher in such a tight space, you know? It's like evil shit, but it's evil shit I can get behind. Get out of my way! Holy hell, man. Yeah. Maybe if I kill all the lost souls before battling with the revenants. Did you test this? Did you beat it yourself? Get out of my... Wow. Damn. No. No. I can get this, and then I can run around here and get... Where is the armor? Here. Holy shit. Holy shit. Get away from here. Gotta get away from here. I killed 8 monsters. Damn. Huh. This is a short one, but a tough one. Should I be looking for a key or something? Also, because... Oh yeah, I'm gonna use no free look for this one. Might be the best. The lost souls are more an annoyance than like an enemy that hurts you, but oh, son of a no. They are more like a block than... Bro, like, just kill me already. Yeah, I'm praying to RNGesus right now, cause I'm gonna need his help. Come on. Come on. Come on. Maybe I should start here. Very interesting little map. I like it. It's really hard though. Like, really freaking hard. Really, really hard. You see the monster count and you think, oh, it's not that hard. And then you join the map and you start playing and then, yeah. You get punched in the face by a skeleton. I want to try to enter this little place here, so... That's not it? Oh, this is where I start. Okay. I see. Get out of my way. What a mean map, man. You're evil for making me play this. Very evil. Bro. I think I passed through that skeleton. Maybe this is it. No, this is definitely not it. But that's a good start. So I just grab this. Kill this little guy. Then I wait a little. 1, 2. And then I run away. This way I killed 2 revenants already. You know, I'm gonna get punched in the face by one of them. Yeah. But now I have the shotgun and the rocket. Now I just need my armor. The vibe is really like, oh my god, where is it gonna come from? Okay, I'm gonna save, man. I'm not gonna beat this saveless. Blah blah. I'm not crazy enough. Here comes the skilly boy. You could make like these rays, you know, when you pass certain lines you could open some areas that have extra stuff, and when you come back here you can find them or something like that. Yeah, where's everybody? So I haven't been here. Yeah, okay, I think I killed everybody in this area, so what do I do now? It's really not that clear. Let me try to go to the exit and... Oh! Oh. Oh. Okay, I see. Yeah, I'm gonna rely on him fighting most of the time. Oh, I got the super. Now we're talking. Where's the spider? Oh, they got stuck. There is one more enemy. This is weird. There are no secrets, but there is one item. And I can always see something here on the outside, but I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's a bug. Yeah, what is that? Is this supposed to be like this? It's really weird. The vibe is impeccable, but yeah. Is this the end? Oh, it's not. Oh! Oh! It's a cyber demon, is oh! Oh my god. Oh my god. Well, I have plenty of cover. Shouldn't be. Ah! Yeah, I forgot that. Okay, that was really nice. What is this line here? What is this supposed to be? Something? Is this intentional? Yeah, it was very interesting. The combat was really interesting. The concept was interesting. I actually really liked it. I don't know what the item was. If there are no secrets, how come there is an item that I haven't found? Huh. What is this? What is this here? Just a shadow effect? I like this a lot. Well, that was it. Thank you for watching.